remember the mic is hot.
Climb up in there, get the good look.
There really should be more wood than what I see
There's
here.
a bunch of wood in here.
Because there's that whole tub area is all wood.
There's a bunch of wood. I don't remember if it's in a box, and maybe in a box or a box back there. There is a bunch of wood here.
Well, Backyard Bob here. Truck showed up today and brought us a new project. It looks kind of like a kit car, but what it really is a 1947 MGTC. I think what we got here is a pile of parts. It'll be an interesting project, to say the least. No instructions. We're going to have to figure out what goes where, who does what to who. The frame looks to be pretty good shape. We'll have to clean it up, paint it. Gearbox. Not too sure about the engine here. I don't think it's supposed to go in sideways. That might take a little work. Then we have the front bulkhead area here. I think it's going to take more than one video to get this project done, so we'll do a little bit of time and post as we go. Keep watching, and we'll see what happens if we get this thing done.